right, so this is the #1 selling headlamp on Amazon, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. These things are super good to use when you've got to do some work in a dark place and you got to use both your hands and you can't hold a flashlight. All right, so here it is, user manual headlamp. Set that over there, we may need that. And I think we might have gotten 2 of them. Let's see. I don't know, we'll find out. Put the box over there. Let's set that there. I think we did, I think we got 2 of them. 2 for the price of 1, I like that. All right, let's pop it out. All right, so it does come with a USB A to C. And of course, we got the bubble wrap. Bam, that's good. All right, so here it is. Bam, Bob's your uncle. It does have like a thing on here that you gotta kind of pull off. It's apparently it's telling you that this is the light. So we'll get that off of there. And yeah, let's take a look at it. On the bottom, there's your USB-C port, so you can charge it, right? On the top, you've got an on button and you've got the light button. So let me turn this light off. All right, now let's go ahead and turn it on and see how bright it is. Okay, there we go. All right, let's see. Oh, wow. So it's got a bunch of different settings, right? Here's this one, super bright, brighter, wider, and off. So yeah, so we're gonna have to try it on our forehead next. It does have a way that you can make it tighter or you can make it less tight for your forehead. So let's give that a shot and see what we think. Hang on.